Ever feel like your photos are kinda off? Like the angle isn't right or your subject just doesn't look centered? What if I told you there's a super simple feature on your Samsung phone that can instantly make your photos look more professional? Yep, we're talking about grid lines on your Samsung camera, and turning it on literally takes less than a minute. Let me show you how. First, grab your Samsung phone and open the camera app like you normally do. Once you're inside the camera, you'll see an icon with 4 little dots. Tap that. This will open up all the extra camera menu options. After that, tap on the settings icon. It usually looks like a small gear symbol. Now scroll a little bit until you find the option called Grid Lines. Once you see it, just tap it and turn it on. And that's it. Done. Now when you go back to your camera, you'll see lines on your screen dividing it into sections. These lines help you use something called the rule of thirds, which basically helps you position your subject better and make your photos look way more balanced and aesthetic. Whether you're taking selfies, food pics, landscape shots, or even recording videos, grid lines can seriously level up your content. So, next time your photo looks a little weird, don't blame the camera, just turn on the grid lines. Try it right now and see the difference. And trust me, once you start using it, you won't want to turn it off again.